بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
ولقد جاءكم موسى بالبينات ثم اتخذتم العجل من بعده وأنتم ظالمون.
And Moses had certainly brought you clear proofs, then you took the calf in worship. After that, while you were wrongdoers.
وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَكُمْ وَرَفَعْنَا فَوْقَكُمُ الطُّورَ خُذُوا مَا آتَيْنَاكُمْ بِقُوَّةٍ وَاسْمَعُوا قَالُوا سَمِعْنَا وَعَصَيْنَا وَأُشْرِبُوا فِي قُلُوبِهِمُ الْعِجْلَ بِكُفْرِهِمْ قُلْ بِئْسَ مَا يَأْمُرُكُمْ به إيمانكم إن كنتم مؤمنين.
And recall when we took your covenant and raised over you the mount, saying that, take out, we have given you with determination and lesson. They said, instead, we hear and disobey. And their hearts was that worship of the calf because of their disbelief. Say, how worst is that which your faith enjoyed upon you, if you should be believers.
قل إن كانت لكم الدار الآخرة عند الله خالصة من دون الناس فتمنوا الموت إن كنتم صادقين.
Say, O Muhammad, if the home of the hereafter with Allah is for you alone and not the other people, then wish to for death, if you should be truthful.
وَلَنْ يَتَمَنَّوْهُ أَبَدًا بِمَا قَدَّمَتْ أَيْدِيهِمْ وَاللَّهُ عَلِيمٌ بِالظَّالِمِينَ.
But they will never wish for it over because of what their hands have put forth, and Allah is knowing of the wrongdoers.
وَلَتَجِدُنَّهُمْ أَحْرَصَ النَّاسِ عَلَى حَيَاةٍ وَمِنَ الَّذِينَ أَشْرَكُوا يَوَدُّ أَحَدُهُمْ لَوْ يُعَمَّرُ أَلْفَ سَنَةٍ وَمَا هُوَ بِمُزَحْزِحِهِ مِنَ الْعَذَابِ أَن يُعَمَّرَ وَاللَّهُ بَصِيرٌ بِمَا يَعْمَلُونَ.
And you will surely find them the most greedy of people for life, even more than those who associate others with Allah. One of them wishes that they could be granted life 1,000 years, but it would not remove him in the last from the coming punishment, that he should be granted life. And Allah is seeing of what they do.
قُلْ مَنْ كَانَ عَدُوًّا لِجِبْرِيلَ فَإِنَّهُ نَزَّلَهُ عَلَى قَلْبِكَ بِإِذْنِ اللَّهِ مُصَدِّقًا لِمَا بَيْنَ يَدَيْهِ وَهُدًى وَبُشْرَى لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ.
Say, whoever is an enemy to Gabriel, it is none but he who has brought the Quran down upon your heart, O Muhammad, by permission of Allah, confirming that which was before it and as guidance and good tidings for the believers.
من كان عدوا لله وملائكته ورسله جبريل وميكال فإن الله عدو للكافرين. الكافرين.
Whoever is an enemy to Allah and His angels and His messengers and Gabriel and Michael, then indeed Allah is an enemy to the disbelievers.
صدق الله العظيم.